guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm back today with another Monday motivational clean with me video, and this time I am tackling these dishes. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you were like me and hate doing dishes. I am so thankful for dishwashers that you guys have no idea. I'm incredibly thankful for dishwasher safe items as well. I hope you guys enjoy this video and I hope it motivates you to get into the kitchen and get some of those dishes out of that sink and cleaned up.
See another mountain to climb, but I got stamina. Oh, I need another lover be mine, 'cause I got stamina. Good for you, good for you. Show you never let me go. Good for you, good for you. Wait for me to come home. I'll just keep on making the same mistakes. Set me free. Hoping that you understand. And live that fantasy. That same old love. That same old love. That same old love. Baby, I'm perfect for you.
Of course, like in my previous cleaning videos, I am using my Scentsy Fresh Counter Clean in my coconut lemongrass scent. It is my favorite scent. I actually have a coconut lemongrass wax burning in my warmer as well. I'll be sure to put the link in the description below so you guys can go check it out.
She don't see how perfect, she don't understand. She's worth it, her body goes deeper than the surface.
Some bleach and the scrub brush to clean out these sinks. Guys, these sinks are gonna be the death of me. I can never keep them clean. They have scratches. Like, I cannot wait for the day that I can refinish my kitchen and get rid of these sinks. But for the time being, if you have a sink like this, can you shoot me a comment down below and let me know how you guys keep it clean and all the scratches out of it, because I would love to know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It feels so good to finally have the dishes clean. This is first thing Monday morning, so I hope that this motivates you today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications because you're not going to want to miss my next video. Have a good week, guys, and I'll see you next time.
You're not true, there's no need to panic.